Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna work on my uploading more. So I'm gonna try to have more content coming to y'all like quicker than I have been because it's been a minute. But okay, so today I'm just making a little simple press-on set. This set gives me like beachy vibes because I have these rocks sitting around and I was like, you know what? I like these colors. That's gonna be my colors for my set. So I'm using Young Nails Cover Blush on this pinky. I will be using some Valentino colors, and I'll be using another Young Nails color, but everything else I mix myself. I think it's only 2 other colors that I'll be using that aren't from a company. But those that I use that are from a company will be linked in the description box below, so you can check that out. These nail tips are from Enailcouture. These are the extra long coffin nail tips. I have the extra long square coming in, but it's probably gonna be like a month before those come because I also ordered monomer, and for some reason the monomer takes a minute to get to you. So that's just a heads up, a little warning for anybody who plans on purchasing the monomer from Max Estrada. I have no problems with it because I love the monomer. Like, I use it and I know to order in advance. So like if you're about to run out, order in advance because it's gonna take a minute to get to you, especially with stuff going on now. But like even before, it was taking a minute. So just a heads up. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep talking because I have a feeling that I'm gonna end up ranting. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm being too talkative sometimes. Like my last video, I do apologize. Like I don't do drugs, but like I have like this natural hypeness about me, and it just comes out sometimes. I don't know. Sometimes I'm chill, sometimes I'm hype. You just never know what you're gonna get. But I hope you guys enjoy. I hope everybody is staying safe during this pandemic because it's sad. Like I can't watch the news. I cannot watch the news because the news is depressing, and all these deaths and all these people getting sick, it is depressing AF. And I cannot. So I hope you all are staying safe. You're staying in your quarantine. You're not going out and partying and house parties like I see on the internet, because maybe what is going on? Why would you even... Oh my goodness. I feel like that's just like so inconsiderate. Like, protect your family, protect yourself, stay home, wash your hands, keep some sanity on you. But all in all, I hope everybody is staying safe. I'm not gonna keep talking about that because I don't want them to monetize me for anything, or like say, oh, your video can't be up here because you're talking about corona. You're talking about corona. And it's like my state is like showing their butts right now. I do not understand. Like, they're out here protesting. Like, I get it, it's your rights or whatever, but like, honey, do you understand what's going on? Do you understand why they're putting this out there? They want you to be alive. They don't want you to die from this. Like, and you're out here gathered up close together. But yeah, please stay safe, protect yourself, protect your family. Just, oh my goodness, I don't even know. It's just, I don't know, it's just so much going on in the world right now. Like, and then they say in China, right, like the cases have rose again. Like, people are getting sick again. So it's like, what's going on? What is going on? Okay, so I'm done ranting about that. Like, I'm done with it. Okay, so on the middle finger, the nail bed color is Young Nails Rosebud. That's the other Young Nails color that I was speaking about. But like this dark blue shade and the green shade is something I mixed up myself. So those are the only 2 colors. Well, actually it's 3. There's a lighter color, but I made that myself too. So those 3 I won't be able to link in the description box, but I will link the other colors for you guys to be able to check out if you want to go purchase it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. My rant is over. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.
times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. Afraid to say real love, now I see you, and I'll make it through to find the life that we once had. I see it now, I feel it now. Real love, now I see you, yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by.